For my persuasive video assignment, I chose to talk about nuclear energy. My stance on nuclear energy is I believe there should be more nuclear power plants and a larger fraction of our energy should come from nuclear power. Nuclear power has a negative connotation, but actually it's very safe and has many benefits. With everything in energy, there are going to be drawbacks because there's always trade-offs with energy. Some of these trade-offs include that power plants are very expensive to build, requires major market shifts in order to stop the decline of nuclear. There have been major accidents. Nuclear fuel can be difficult to deal with. We need to think of better ways to get rid of nuclear waste, and the nuclear sector has not grown much. As we can see here, the nuclear power sector peaked in the 1990s and has plateaued and declined since then. But with that plateau, there is still much room for growth. The United States produces the most nuclear energy worldwide. And why nuclear is better? Nuclear energy creates heat from very little fuel as compared to oil, natural gas, or coal. The power plants are cheap to operate. It is the safest energy for its operators, and it is actually less radioactive than coal per megawatt hour. And the radiation doses are less than the natural and medical radiation, and it actually has prevented thousands of deaths by stopping air pollution. We have avoided 15 gigatons of CO2 in the atmosphere since 1995 in the U.S. alone. Nuclear energy also has low fuel costs. It has supreme energy density. Nuclear power plant operators capture all of the waste generated. It has an excellent capacity factor. And the U.S. producers source uranium for nuclear reactions domestically or from political allies. Nuclear technology has also improved over time. As you can see in this chart here, the nuclear costs are far lower than coal and natural gas. The future of nuclear is uncertain. The Energy Policy Act of 2005 introduced specific provisions to encourage nuclear development in the United States. But even with that, the number of nuclear power plants has dropped. Global society is trying to determine what will happen with nuclear power in the post-Fukushima world, because after the Fukushima accident, many declared the end of nuclear power. Trade-offs between public safety concerns and environmental benefits remain a key feature of the future of nuclear energy. The main ways I've gained information for my PowerPoint is through the class notes, nuclear energy, and from the textbook online, Intro to Nuclear Energy, in the book Energy 101. Thank you.